Now that might be luckier than finding gold today. All right, back at the truck. Oh shit, I'm filling with water. It was filling up. Oh, I forgot we didn't have a lid on the back. Let me get you out of there. Yeah, just I'm out.
That's good. Good.
All right, she's out of there. Better get that gold detector out because we filled up with a lot of water. So I fucked up. I had the keys and everything in a bag separately. I found them, but I just paddled my butt off all the way up here. We were just way up here. First I found the chips floating. Then I found a Gatorade in a sandwich bag. And I started leading, following that trail. And lo and behold, right over there, I think that baggie right there is my keys. Yeah, right there. I put them in a Ziploc bag. Luckily, it's airtight. There's my stuff. Thank God, because the truck keys are in there. Oh, she would have freaked out. She would have been so pissed. But there it is. Right there. I found him. Now that might be luckier than finding gold today. Oh, man. Got him. A little wet. Should still be good. Bag was filling with water. Luckily, we got to it. Everything seems to be okay. Let's get back to the truck before Mom's pissed.
Oh my God. Found the keys.
I'm still sweating.
That was nuts.
We're good. It's almost as good as finding gold. I really believe
Yeah, no kidding.
that getting to drive home tonight instead of walking home might be just as good.